Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, I'm Dipankar Rajora, alongside my partner Pankaj Malav. Today, we're showing you something nobody else has built, the world's only agentic self-selling store builder. A complete done-for-you business that's up and running in minutes and keeps working 24/7, 365 days without you lifting a finger. Let's get started. From the AppsField dashboard, you get an instant high-level view of your business, tracking live products, total orders, customers, total revenue, and detailed sales analytics all in one place. Scrolling down to My Stores, you can view and manage all your active AI storefronts. Let's create a brand new marketplace from scratch. Click on New Marketplace in the top right. Choose your marketplace type. We'll select Single Vendor. Name your store AI Generative Store, and AppsField automatically generates your store URL slug. Now, give the marketplace agent a simple prompt describing what you want to sell. Here, we type Create Store for selling AI software for local businesses like gyms, cafes, and real estate. Click Next.
Next, choose your color theme presets, such as Standard, Minimal, Bold, or Enterprise. We'll keep it on Standard and hit Next. Select your storefront visual style from templates like Aurora, Batasso, Neon Grid, or Nitro. Once you've chosen your preferred look, click Next. In the branding settings, fine-tune your brand colors using the color pickers to select your primary and accent shades. Click Browse to upload your custom logo and favicon directly from your media library, then click Next. Choose your product categories from the suggested list, such as CRM, AI and ML, and design. You can also type and add custom categories like Agent. When ready, click Next. Review your store configuration, including marketplace type, theme style, and selected categories, and click Launch Marketplace.
Now, sit back while AppsField's AI builds your store in real time. It automatically sets up the storefront, applies your branding, writes hero copy, generates FAQs and testimonials, preloads matching products, and trains your AI sales agent. Once published, you'll see a Marketplace Launched confirmation. Find your new store under My Stores and click Visit. Your new storefront opens automatically. Notice how the AI sales agent, Jake, pops up immediately to assist visitors. Let's close the pop-up for a moment to explore the page. The AI has generated a complete storefront, including hero banners, featured exclusive deals, category filters, real customer reviews, value propositions, and fully functional FAQ accordions.
Now, let's test the AI sales agent. Click the chat widget and select Start the Conversation. Jake welcomes the visitor and asks for their name. We type in Dipankar Rajora. Jake asks what business we run. We answer real estate. Recognizing the niche, Jake instantly recommends the Real Estate AI Assistant and embeds an interactive product card directly inside the conversation. Clicking Tell Me More prompts Jake to explain key features and present instant purchasing options right inside the chat window. When the customer clicks Buy, an embedded checkout form opens directly in the chat, eliminating the need to leave the conversation or navigate away. After filling in buyer details and selecting a payment option, like manual bank transfer or card, the order is immediately confirmed inside the chat.
Now let's see what happens when a client needs software that isn't currently listed in your store. We tell Jake, I want AI automation software for a school. Jake acts as an expert sales consultant, asking probing questions to uncover pain points and guiding the client forward. When the client specifies managing staff and students and their performance, based on the client's answers, Jake dynamically generates a comprehensive custom scope titled School Performance Management System, outlining all key features and capabilities. The client clicks to send the proposal, fills in their business contact details, and submits the custom request directly to the store owner.
Immediately, an automated confirmation email is delivered to the client's inbox containing the full feature breakdown of their custom project request. Switching back to the merchant dashboard, open the Orders section to view newly placed purchases. Here we see the $399 order for the Real Estate AI Assistant currently marked as pending. Change the payment status to paid and order status to completed. Enter the software login URL or license key, then click Save and mark Delivered. The customer receives an instant order confirmation email with a direct link to open their personal client portal. Inside their client portal, customers can securely view order receipts and access their purchased software links at any time. Finally, under Project Requests, merchants can track custom lead proposals, review client requirements, and update project status stages like Started or In Progress, keeping clients informed every step of the way.
AppsField also gives you complete control over your store and AI agent. You can train your agent with custom business knowledge to deliver optimized responses, customize your page content and branding on the fly, and insert tracking scripts like Facebook and Google Pixel codes. Easily set up your store on a custom domain and configure payment options for PayPal or direct bank transfers. With one-click theme updates, you can switch your storefront's visual design instantly without breaking or changing any of your existing settings. To drive targeted organic traffic, the built-in AI blog creator discovers high-performing keywords for your niche, generates full SEO-optimized articles, and publishes them directly to your store in seconds. And when you're ready to prospect for new clients, use the integrated lead finder to uncover verified business leads in any industry or city. The AI then writes personalized outreach emails and sends them to your prospects instantly. And that's all about AppsField AI. Thanks for watching.